So today we're back at Trackstar. We're getting another 2JZ 240 on the dyno. And this one you've seen featured before, but we've never really gotten into detail much about it. But today we're gonna do that. So again, here's Ian. Hello Ian, how you doing?
Good.
So tell us what has changed on this beautiful, beautiful car and what is the history of it?
So now we have a fully built 2JZ, billet main caps, pistons, rods, cams, valve springs, and solid buckets. A new CV09 transmission, twin disc clutch, the new G35-900 Garrett turbo with a T51R mod to make the turbo real loud. It was 2JZ before, but just not built. It had head studs and however many miles it came from Japan. But it was feeling old and worn, so I took it for a rebuild, and now we're here again at the dyno. So
I know you've had this car for a long time. Tell us a little bit of history. What happened when you got it? What kind of phases it went through, everything like that?
I got it with a KA 5-speed. I had working AC. Everything worked perfect. And I yanked it and put an SR20 and deleted the AC. And then ran SR20 for a while. Blew the head gasket on that a couple times. Ended up going single turbo, or bigger top mount turbo with a V mount setup. Ran that for a while. That kept blowing head gaskets as well, and I was just tired of the SR20. I had my friend Brian's car. I took to a demo, drove it, fell in love with it, and then invested in a 2JZ, and I never looked back since. 2JZ is the way.
2JZ is the way, and of course, if you guys watched my last dyno episode, Brian's car was on the dyno after his refresh. So we're gonna have Ethan get this all set up, and we're gonna get it on the dyno. Dyno. 45% throttle. Ethan's being a chicken.
Tell me that was supposed to be 80% throttle.